Good morning, everybody. It's Uncle Bill O'Gorman here at the Royal Nissan store, and you recognize this as the Nissan Rogue. Nissan Rogue has been one of the best sellers in the Nissan brand. This car's not going to be any different, but there's a new twist. This car is going to be on lease special from Nissan. Just $299 a month. Yes, that's right. You can lease this car for just $299 a month with a total of $2,399 due at signing. So you're going to have the interior. Oh, I like that. That's kind of different. You've got the equipment that you want. It's one of our most popular packages, and right now you can drive this for less. Again, Nissan, the Rogue has been one of their best values, and this is not going to be any different. I mean, if you've been spending too much time with the tow truck guy, or maybe at the repair shop, maybe your fuel economy's not so good, or you're just out of factory warranty and you're waiting for something to go, this is the vehicle and it's the deal you need. Just $299 a month with $2,399 due at signing. Call me, text me, Uncle Bill O'Gorman, the Nissan Rogue deal, 607-543-1215.